Hi friends, welcome to Raman channel. Today we'll see trapezoidal rule example. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 x cube dx with 5 subintervals by trapezoidal general integral form. Integral a to b f of x dx given integral 0 to 1 x cube dx. By comparing these two, what is the a value? That is lower limit. A equal to 0. What is the b value? That is upper limit. B equal to 1. Now f of x is equal to x cube, nothing but y. Y equal to f of x is equal to x cube. How many subintervals? 5. That is n. N equal to 5. Trapezoidal integral a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 2 sum of first and last ordinate. Sum of first and last ordinate plus 2 into sum of remaining ordinates. First we find the h value, this value. What is h formula? H equal to b minus a by n. What is the b value? 1 minus what is the a value? 0. 1 minus 0 by what is the n value? 5. That equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 equal to how much? 1 divided by 5 is equal to 0.2. That is h equal to 0.2. Now we have to find the ordinate. Here x equal to how much? 0. What is the lower limit? Is the 0. Upper limit how much? 1. Initial value 0, final value 0. Now, how to get the remaining values? By adding the h value. What is the h value here? H value how much? 0.2. 0 plus 0.2. 0 plus 0.2. 0 plus 0.2. How much? 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 equal to how much? 0.4 plus 0.2. That is how much? 0.6. That is 0.8. 0.8 plus 0.8 is the 1. Okay. Now we have to find the y value. How you find the y value? Y equal to what? Y equal to x cube. What are the x values? 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 like that. First we find the x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y value. When x is equal to 0, y equal to x cube. That means 0 cube. 0 cube means 0. Okay. When x is equal to how much? 0.2. When x is equal to 0.2, x is equal to 0.2. Y equal to x cube. That means 0.2 whole cube. That equal to 0.2 whole cube. 0.2 shift cube whole cube is equal to how much? 8 into 10 power minus 3. 8 into 10 power minus 3. Now we are telling this is the y naught value. This is the y1 value. Now x is equal to how much? 0.4. Now x is equal to 0.4. This is the y2. Y2 equal to 0.4 cube. That equal to 0.4 cube. How much? 0.064. Now x is equal to how much? 0.6. X is equal to 0.6. That is the y3 value. Y3 equal to 0.6 cube is equal to how much? 0.216. 0.216. Now what is the x value? X value is the 0.8. X is equal to 0.8 y 4. That equal to 0.8 cube. 0.8 cube. That equal to SD 0.512. 0.512. Now x is equal to how much? 1. X is equal to 1. That is y 5. That is equal to 1 cube. That is 1. Now fill this box. When x is equal to 0, y value also 0. When x is equal to 0, y value 0. When x is equal to 0.2, when x is equal to 0. Y value is the 8 into 10 power minus 3. When x is equal to 0.4, x is equal to 0. Y equal to 0.064. 0.064. When x is equal to 0.6, y value is 0.216. 0.216. When x is equal to 0.8, y value is 0.512. When x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. Now this is the y naught value. This is the y1. This is the y2. This is the y3. This is the y4. This is the y5. Now integral a to b f of x dx. A means how much? 0. 0. B means how much? 1. F of x means x cube dx is equal to h by 2. What is the h value? By 2. H value is the 0.2. 0.2 by 2. Sum of first ordinate. What is the first ordinate? Y naught. Plus sum of last ordinate. That is the, what is the last ordinate? Y5. Sum of first and last ordinate. First ordinate is the y naught. Last ordinate is the y5. That is y naught plus y5. Plus 2 into sum of remaining ordinates. y1, y2, y3, y4. y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4. Now that equal to 0.2 by 2 how much? 0.2 by 2. 0.2 by 2. That is how much? 0.1. 0.1 brackets. Y naught value. Y naught value is the 0. Plus y5 value is the 1. Sum of first and last. Plus 2 into y1. y1 is the 8 into 10 power minus 3. Plus y2. y2 is the 0.064. Plus y3. y3 is the 0.216. Plus y4. y4 is the 0.512. No, that equal to 0.1. 0 plus 1 is the 1 plus 2 into. First we find this value. 2 brackets. 8 into 10 power minus 3. 8 into 10 power minus 3 plus 0.064. 0.064 plus 0.216. 0.216 plus 0.512. 0.512 brackets closed. That equal to how much? 1.6. This total value is the 1.6. Okay. This is the 1 point, this is the 1. Okay, that equal to 0.1 into 1 plus 1.6 is the plus 1 is equal to 2.6 into 2.6 into 0.1 into 0.1 is equal to 0.26. That equal to 0.26. This is the value. Integral of 0 to 1 x cube dx is equal to 0.26, like this. Thank you for watching my video.